The animal kingdom is full of wonders, some fascinating, some downright bizarre. Nature always finds a way to surprise us with strange behaviors and mind-boggling adaptations. From immortal creatures to animals that can clone themselves, these are the top 10 bizarre phenomena in the animal kingdom that will leave you in awe. Ready to be amazed? Let's dive in. 1. Tardigrades, the immortal creature. Meet the tardigrade, also known as the water bear. These microscopic animals are nearly indestructible. They can survive extreme heat, freezing cold, high radiation, and even the vacuum of space. Incredibly, they can also go without food or water for decades by entering a state called cryptobiosis, where they basically shut down their bodies. It's as close to immortality as nature gets. 2. Zombie ant fungus. It sounds like something out of a horror movie, but it's real. There's a parasitic fungus called Ophiocordyceps that infects ants, taking over their bodies and controlling their movements. The fungus forces the ant to climb to a high point, bite down on a leaf, and then the fungus grows out of the ant's body, releasing spores to infect more ants. Nature's version of a zombie apocalypse. 3. The immortal jellyfish. This jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii, has found the secret to eternal youth. When it's injured or sick, it can revert its cells back to an earlier stage of life and start all over again. Essentially, it can age in reverse, transforming back into a young polyp. In theory, this jellyfish could live forever, unless something eats it first. 4. Octopus Arm Regeneration. Imagine losing an arm and simply growing it back. For an octopus, that's no problem. These intelligent creatures can regenerate their arms completely, even if they lose one in a fight or accident. Not only do they grow back the arm, but it also works just as well as the original. Octopuses are masters of self-repair in the animal world. 5. Cloning lizards. In the deserts of the southwestern United States and Mexico, there are species of lizards that reproduce without males. These lizards, like the New Mexico whiptail, are all female and can clone themselves through a process called parthenogenesis. Each offspring is an exact genetic copy of the mother. It's nature's way of keeping the species going when males are hard to come by. 6. The electric eel's shocking power. The electric eel is a creature straight out of a superhero comic. It can generate up to 600 volts of electricity, enough to knock down a human or stun its prey. This shocking ability comes from specialized cells in its body called electrocytes, which store electricity like tiny batteries. One jolt and its prey is paralyzed. 7. Hairy frog's claw-breaking escape. The hairy frog, also known as the Wolverine frog, has a bizarre defense mechanism. When threatened, it breaks its own bones to produce claws that pierce through its skin. These sharp, bony claws are used to defend itself from predators. It's an incredible yet painful way to survive in the wild. 8. Pistol shrimp's supersonic punch. The pistol shrimp has one of the most powerful punches in the animal kingdom. It snaps its claw so fast that it creates a bubble, and when the bubble bursts, it releases a shockwave strong enough to kill its prey. The sound from this supersonic punch can reach up to 210 decibels, louder than a gunshot. 9. Sloths' extreme slow motion. Sloths are famous for being slow, but did you know they are so slow that algae actually grows on their fur? This symbiotic relationship helps camouflage the sloth from predators. But being slow also has its perks. They have incredibly low metabolisms and need very little food to survive. Moving at a snail's pace is their ultimate survival strategy. 10th, sea cucumbers ejecting organs defense. When under attack, the sea cucumber has a rather unique way of defending itself. It ejects its internal organs. It literally spits out parts of its insides to distract predators, giving it a chance to escape. Don't worry though, the sea cucumber can regenerate its organs, later making this one of the strangest defense mechanisms in the animal kingdom. From creatures that can regenerate limbs to animals that defy death itself, the animal kingdom is full of bizarre and mind-blowing phenomena. Which of these facts surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating facts from the world of nature. Thanks for watching.